We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section coordinate geometry, and the problem is on the concept of locus of a point. This problem has appeared in JEE Main examination held on 25th July 2021 in the session 1. The problem is the locus of the centroid of the triangle formed by any point P on the hyperbola 16x square minus 9y square plus 32x plus 36y minus 164 is equal to 0, and its foci is. The four options are given to us. Now we discuss the solution of this problem in detail. The given hyperbola is 16x square minus 9y square plus 32x plus 36y minus 164 is equal to 0. We want to write this equation in the standard form. To do that one, we have written 16 into x square plus 2x plus 1. So 16x square plus 32x, up to that it is balanced, and in brackets what we have written is a perfect square, minus 9 times y square minus 4y plus 4. Similarly we have done this, and that is equal to 164. To adjust the constant terms, we have added 16 and minus 9 fours are 36, minus 36 on the right hand side, so that it will be balanced. And this is now written as 16 times x plus 1 whole square minus 9 times y minus 2 whole square is equal to, on simplification, on the right hand side we get 144. Now this is written as x plus 1 whole square by 9 minus y minus 2 whole square by 16 is equal to 1. So we have divided throughout, both on the left hand side and right hand side, by 144 and simplified. We got, this is the equation 1. Now we write it in a standard form: x square, capital X square by 9 minus capital Y square by 16 is equal to 1. Let's call this as equation 2, where capital X is x plus 1 and capital Y is y minus 2. The eccentricity E of this above hyperbola, we take the hyperbola 2, is under the square root of 1 plus b square by a square. So the above 2 is capital X square by a square minus y square, capital Y square by b square is equal to 1, and the eccentricity is under the square root of 1 plus b square by a square. B square is 16, a square is 9, and on simplification we get 5 by 3, which is greater than 1, thus it is an ellipse. Thus it is a hyperbola. I am sorry. The foci of the above hyperbola 2 is given by plus or minus AE comma 0. Thus implies plus or minus 5 comma 0. It is for the equation 2. In the equation 2, capital X is x plus 1, capital Y is y minus 2. So therefore that will be the foci is given by plus or minus 5 comma 0, that is to be written as x is equal to plus or minus 5 minus 1, and y minus 2 is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 2. So the foci of the above hyperbola 1 is given by plus or minus 1 minus 1 comma 2, that is the f1 is given by minus 6 plus 2. So, minus 5 minus 1 comma 2, that is minus 6 comma 2, and plus 5 minus 1 comma 2, that is the focus f2, that is 4 comma 2. Let P, capital P, with coordinates small p comma q be any point on the given hyperbola. Now we have to consider the triangle capital P, F1, F2, and consider its centroid, and we have to talk about the locus of the centroid. So that's the problem. Required to find the locus of the centroid of the triangle formed by the point P with coordinates P comma Q on the given hyperbola and its foci F1 and F2. Let capital G with coordinates H comma K be the centroid of the triangle P F1 F2. Let's look at the triangle. So this is the one, and the centroid is given by P plus 4 plus minus 6 by 3, that is equal to H. K will be Q plus 2 by 3. And we know the formula. The centroid of a triangle with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, that is abscissa of the centroid, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole by 3, that is the ordinate of the centroid. We use that formula here. And H is equal to P plus 4 plus minus 6 by 3. Similarly, K is equal to Q plus 2 by 3. On simplification, we will get P is equal to 3H plus 2, Q is equal to 3K minus 4, and since P comma Q lie on the given hyperbola of 1, this one, and wherever there is x, you substitute 3H plus 2, and wherever there is y, you substitute 3K minus 4, because P comma Q lies on this hyperbola. So we substituted and simplified, we get 16 times, you have taken a LCM, 3H plus 3 whole square simplified in the bracket, minus 9 times simplified in the bracket, 3K minus 6 whole square is equal to 144. So 3 taken common from the bracket and comes out as 9, and 16 times 9 into H plus 1 whole square minus 9 into 9 times K minus 2 whole square is equal to 144. Cancel off 9 on both sides. We get 16 into H plus 1 whole square is H square plus 2H plus 1 minus 9 into K minus 2 whole square is K square minus 4K plus 4 is equal to 16. And multiply and adjust the constants, and we get 16H square minus 9K square plus 32H plus 36K minus 36. This constant is after simplifying from the above. So we get this is equal to 0. So the centroid of the hyperbola, centroid of the triangle P F1 F2 is given by this equation. So the locus of the centroid of the triangle P F1 F2 is 16x square minus 9y square plus 32x plus 36y minus 36 is equal to 0. Let's look at the options, and our answer tallies with the option 2 there. So our answer is option 2. So that is the discussion of the solution of the problem based on the concept of the locus, wherein a hyperbola and its foci are involved, and any point on that hyperbola and the foci F1 and F2 form a triangle, and we wanted the centroid of that triangle. And the locus of that centroid we have found, and I hope that you have understood and liked the solution of this problem, and go on working out problems based on the concepts of hyperbola, and it is a very important section. I wish you all the best. Thank you.